We came up to the Makapu'u Lighthouse trail, which is a fully paved trail. It is very steep, but not too difficult, and you get these views when you get to the top. Check it out.
I can fly.
As we mentioned, this is the Makapu'u Lighthouse Trail. It is 2.5 miles of paved trail with breathtaking views throughout. And there's a rumor that Barack Obama likes to visit it when he's in town. The trail does have some inclines, so be sure to bring water and lots of sunscreen as there is no shade. But it's definitely a hike that the whole family can enjoy.
Me and my brother are trying to figure out how to get down there.
Alright guys, so our trip unfortunately got canceled, our diving adventure.
So looking forward to diving with sharks.
But hopefully we'll get to do that Sunday. However, we're not too sad about it because we decided to go to Lanakai Beach, and we came up to the Makapu'u Lighthouse Trail, which is a fully paved trail. It is very steep, but not too difficult, and you get these views when you get to the top. Check it out.
Woke up on a Saturday morning, hoping that you had called me. Realized it was the afternoon, I'm still sleeping off the party. The party from the night before, the summer heat had us down at the shore. I told you what you meant to me, hoping that one day I'd be your everything. Hope you agree, girl, I just wanna be your everything. La 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 oh 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 oh. La 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 oh 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 oh. La 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 la, oh 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 oh. La 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 la, oh 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 oh. Hit the road in my drop top cut.
Hey guys, thanks so much for being with us today. I'm really tired.
We are both sunburned, and even though we put on tons of sunblock,
Didn't work.
Both got sunburned.
We're also very tired. It ended up being a long day. We ended up doing a hike we weren't expecting to do at all.
Drove by it and then seen, oh look, there's a hike right there. Look, there's a lighthouse. And then we decided, well, let's make a U-turn and let's go check it out.
So, yeah, it's been a long day. We're super tired. And tomorrow we have another fun activity planned. Hopefully it doesn't get canceled like today's shark diving did.
Hopefully we get to actually do it. And this doesn't end up like a Northern Lights thing where we kept trying to go and just nothing ever happened.
Sadly, we did not get to see the Northern Lights. They want us to come back or go see them somewhere else, I guess.
There's too much.
Yeah. So we'll see. We'll let you guys know how it goes in the morning, but we do have a fun tour planned for tomorrow. It's pretty much a full day tour, so pretty sure we'll be tired tomorrow too, but if it goes according to plan, it should be out on the ocean most of the day,
So more sunburn.
We're gonna go buy restaurants in the morning. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free for you and really helps us out. Please also give the video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might be planning a trip to Hawaii or just has always wanted to visit. We appreciate each and every single one of you guys, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.